farm animals.
Hey, Oskar. Cow.
Cow.
You like cows?
No, they bite.
They bite?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh. They're scary.
They're kind of scary.
Yeah.
Pretty
Bull.
big, right?
Yeah. But they can hurt a little bit.
Yeah, you gotta be careful, right?
But hands hurt a little bit.
Who's this guy?
A pig.
Pig.
That's a piggy.
Do you like pigs?
Those are piggies.
Little piggy?
That's a little piggy. Hey.
Do you like hens?
Yeah.
What do they do?
Hen.
I think he has a small tail.
A small tail?
Yeah. Rooster.
Ooh.
They have a small tail too.
Rooster.
What's gonna be next?
Sheep.
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 Do you like sheep?
They're not, but we can pet them. They don't jump.
That's true. You'd be gentle with them, right?
Goat.
But goats run away.
They run away pretty fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're tricky to pet.
Yeah. They're big too.
Duck.
But ducks are good to pet.
Yeah? Did you pet a duck before?
Yeah.
At the petting zoo?
But goose are better.
You gotta be a bit careful with goose or geese.
Goose.
But little birds are better.
Little birds?
Yeah.
Oh.
We can pet them, but they fly away.
Yeah.
Horse.
That's like tricky.
Tricky to pet a small bird. What about a horse? We missed it.
Horse. Turkey.
Are turkeys funny?
Turkey.
Yeah, I know. He got a long head.
Yeah, his neck's really long.
Llama got a long neck too.
Yeah.
Llama.
What do they do?
They spit. I'm all. There you
Oh.
go. What's gonna happen?
I don't know. There they go. There's the llama, the horse, the chicken.
Goose.
Bye-bye. There they go.
Then what's gonna come next? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.